I lived 45 years before learning the right way to cut fruit. 1. Watermelon, cut in half, then make several horizontal and vertical cuts. It's very convenient to just pick it up and eat it. This way, Mom won't have to worry about me getting watermelon juice all over my face. 2. Cantaloupe, cut off the top, make 2 vertical cuts, cut off the sides, and then make even cuts. It's small and delicate. When guests see it, they have to compliment it. 3. Pineapple, cut off the top and bottom, then cut it in half. Follow the lines and make several crosscuts and vertical cuts. This way of eating is clean and hygienic. For a kiwi, cut off both sides, stick a straw in it, and spin it around. A whole kiwi pops out. 5. Orange, cut off both ends, slice halfway, then cut horizontally. Slice it into pieces to get perfect pieces of fruit. 6. Dragon fruit, cut off the tail, make 4 cuts in the skin,